See this? This is why I tell people, don't lay your bike flat on your derailleur in the back of your car. And now it won't shift. And they wonder why. Okay, people, here's what we're looking at. We've got the derailleur hanger tool on. And we've got my trusty rubber band to hold the adjustment rod in place to see how far we are from different points on the wheel. As we can see here, we're touching at this point. Let's go up to the top of the wheel. And as you can see, with the rod in the same place, we're now a good 50 mil away, 90 degrees away, and we're off by 2 inches. Like, come on. This is why you don't lay your bike flat in the back of your car on top of the rear derailleur. It's just not a good idea. Alright, after some fiddling, we can see this is where it needs to be. Pretty close. That's not far. That's not far. And that's not far. So now at all 4 points, we're not far.